Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Ken Burns effect on CapCut PC. Super simple, just add a keyframe, and at the end, you're just going to want to zoom in, but you're going to zoom in on the object here. So just do that, and that's pretty much how you can create it. It's gonna just follow the person. You can go and zoom in a little bit again here and focus it more on the person. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. You can add in some graphs if you want to, but just keep it simple. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.